Are you ready to future-proof your career? Discover how cutting-edge AI tools are not just automating tasks, but reshaping entire industries, and learn how you can leverage them to stay ahead. Welcome to a deep dive into the transformative world of AI. Today, we're exploring 7 powerful AI tools poised to redefine professional roles in 2025. A 2023 study from the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences indicates that nearly 80% of the U.S. workforce could see at least 10% of their tasks impacted by AI, with 19% potentially facing a 50% impact. Before we jump in, stick around until number 3. It's a game-changing tool disrupting an industry in ways you won't believe. Let's get started with number 7. Forget the traditional content creation model. Jasper AI is revolutionizing how marketing campaigns are built. Jasper AI isn't just a text generator, it's a comprehensive content solution. It crafts everything from engaging social media posts to in-depth blog articles, maintaining a consistent brand voice and optimizing for SEO. Jasper's strength lies in its ability to adapt to specific tones and brand guidelines. A 2024 Gartner report revealed that organizations using advanced AI writing tools like Jasper reduced content production costs by an average of 43% while improving engagement. This is more than efficiency. It's a paradigm shift. Graphic design, once considered immune to automation, is now being transformed by Lensa AI. Lensa AI has evolved beyond basic photo editing. It now offers a comprehensive graphic design solution, generating custom visuals for diverse business needs, from social media to marketing materials. Lensa AI learns a brand's visual identity and generates designs that align with established style guidelines. A single marketing manager can now achieve what once required a team of designers. A study in the Journal of Digital Media Management found that AI design tools reduced design production time by up to 78% while maintaining brand consistency. Meetings consume countless professional hours. Otter.ai is changing that by automating meeting coordination. Otter.ai actively participates in meetings, scheduling based on availability, transcribing discussions in real time, identifying action items, assigning tasks, and generating follow-up emails. Otter.ai integrates seamlessly with project management platforms and calendaring systems. Research from MIT's Sloan Management Review shows that professionals using AI meeting assistants recovered an average of 7.4 hours per week. The legal profession, known for its complexity, is now being disrupted by Harvey AI. Harvey AI is a specialized legal AI that drafts contracts, reviews legal documents, conducts legal research, and predicts case outcomes. It's trained on millions of legal documents, rivaling junior and mid-level law firm associates. Harvey AI's speed is a major advantage. Tasks that take human legal professionals hours or days can be completed in minutes. A 2024 Stanford Law School study found that legal professionals using AI tools like Harvey completed document review tasks 66% faster with a 30% increase in accuracy. Midjourney V7 is a game changer, evolving into a complete design-to-code solution. Midjourney V7 generates not just website or app mockups, but the actual functioning code. Describe what you want, and it delivers both the visual design and the code implementation. This replaces the traditional designer-developer workflow. One person with Midjourney can now handle what previously required 2 specialized professionals. Research in IEE transactions on software engineering showed that AI-assisted design-to-code systems reduced development time for standard web applications by up to 71%. GitHub Copilot Enterprise is taking software development automation to a new level. Copilot Enterprise architects entire systems, refactors complex code bases, identifies and fixes bugs, and generates comprehensive test suites. It understands the context of large projects, analyzes existing code bases, and generates solutions that integrate seamlessly. A 2024 McKinsey study found that companies using AI coding assistants reported productivity increases equivalent to adding 30 to 40% more developers. Claude Opus by Anthropic is a versatile job replacement tool, adapting to almost any knowledge work context. Claude Opus performs data analysis, creates presentations, drafts reports, responds to emails, develops strategic plans, and manages projects with minimal human guidance. It's an AI knowledge worker that takes on tasks traditionally performed by analysts, managers, and consultants. Claude Opus connects information across domains, identifies patterns, and generates insights. Research in Nature Machine Intelligence showed that AI systems with Claude's capabilities performed on par with experienced professionals in 74% of standard knowledge work tasks. What does this mean for your career? Jobs are transforming, not disappearing. The most successful professionals will be those who collaborate with AI effectively. The new employment landscape rewards AI complementary skills like strategic thinking, creative problem-solving, ethical judgment, and emotional intelligence. MIT Technology Review found that professionals who integrated AI tools into their workflows increased their productivity by an average of 37%. The most valuable employees will understand AI's capabilities and limitations, direct these tools effectively, and focus on uniquely human aspects of work. Ready to take control of your career in the age of AI? Start experimenting with these tools now. Many offer free trials or limited free versions. The sooner you understand how to work alongside AI, the better positioned you'll be as these tools evolve. Don't just watch the future unfold, shape it. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on navigating the AI-transformed workplace. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on emerging technologies and career strategies for the AI age.